Customizing your cart page is now easier than ever. With Gutenberg, StoreEngine, and aBlocks, you have full control over everything, from styling and typography to adding new elements like titles and more. Let's start customizing with creative flexibility using the powerful combination of StoreEngine and aBlocks. First, make sure both StoreEngine and aBlocks are properly installed and activated. Then, go to the StoreEngine settings panel and confirm that a cart page is correctly assigned under Page Configuration. Next, move to Appearance Arrow Editor and open the Templates section. Here, you'll find the cart page template. Open it to start customizing. By default, you'll see shortcodes like the cart list table, coupon form, subtotal table, and checkout button. To redesign the page, we first need to remove these shortcodes. Now, add an aBlocks container block with your preferred layout. In the left column, add the cart list from the block list. In the right column, add the coupon form, subtotal, and checkout button accordingly. Nice, right? Now, let's move to styling and typography customization. First, change the title typography. Then, customize the coupon button background and the checkout button color. Let's also add a new title using a heading block. And style it to match the page design. Below that, add a paragraph block to include a short subtitle for the cart page. This helps inform your customers with the right message. Finally, save your changes and preview the result. We've successfully redesigned the cart page exactly the way we wanted. Subscribe to stay updated, and thank you for watching.